Hi again, everybody. Sunday, August 16th of 2026. Come check out the In the Price chat room. The Discord link will be posted in the video description area. Turning to Astro Excel for the coming week. Green line starts negative, or starts at 0, drops down to below -10 come tonight, Monday morning, and then it's negative pretty much all week except for the evening into early morning of the 18th to 19th, and then we're back down below -10, -20, and we take a dive down on the green line on Friday, so there's some negative pressure there. Key blue line turning points marked, most of them by the arrows, coming in especially for Monday morning at 6 a.m. Then we have this peak here at 1700. On the 18th, we've got a 5 a.m. low and a 1 p.m. high. In the evening, around 2100. And then early in the morning, the 19th, it looks like 3:30 a.m. on that one, and then not again until after the session closes on the 20th. That one's going to be about 1630, 1700, and the last significant peak of the week is right here about 1500 on Friday. I will post my rainbow chart marked up in the Discord chat room, and the SSO times will be posted there as well.